In his book, Quiet Talks in Service by S.D. Gordon, he gives an imaginary account of Jesus' return to heaven after his ascension. As the angel Gabriel greets Jesus, he asks, "Master, you died for the world, did you not?" To which the Lord replies, "Yes, you must have suffered much," the angel says. And again Jesus answered, "Yes. Do they all know that you died for them?" Gabriel continues. "No, only a few in Palestine know about it so far," Jesus says. "Well, then, what is your plan for telling the rest of the world that you shed your blood for them?" Jesus responds, "Well, I asked Peter and James and John and Andrew and a few others if they would make it the business of their lives to tell others. And then the ones that they tell could tell others. And they in turn could tell still others. And finally, it would reach the farthest corner of the earth, and all would know the thrill and the power of the gospel." You guys are the people that are involved in this story. In the great redemption plan of God, you guys are taking a part in it. Take the risk. Dive in. Go preach the message. Let the world know who Jesus is. Do you guys have any questions? Other things?